case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark case against Hilton Hotels Corporation in 1966, Doris Surowitz, a shareholder, courageously stepped into the legal limelight. She brought serious allegations of fraud against the corporate executives, accusing them of defrauding the company of millions of dollars through illegal schemes. The scheme was complex, detailing how the high-ranking professionals manipulated stock prices and made the company buy their own vastly overpriced shares. Surowitz's complaint was initially met with cynicism. The lower courts dismissed her case with prejudice. They questioned her ability to understand the intricacies of the allegations, given her limited education and appreciation for economic matters. This, according to them, made her an improper plaintiff. The Court of Appeals upheld this dismissal. Unfazed, Surowitz took her fight to the Supreme Court. The High Court carried a different tune, criticizing the lower court's judgment. They highlighted that lack of financial savviness on Surowitz's part should not bar her from seeking justice. The Supreme Court clarified that Rule 23(b) was not drafted to squash derivative suits. Quite the contrary, it served to protect shareholders from possible fraudulent schemes within the corporations. The Supreme Court reversed the lower court's decision. In their verdict, they emphasized that the rule and other federal rules should not be interpreted to endorse summary dismissals of cases involving serious fraud allegations, as long as they're based on reasonable assumptions following diligent investigation. They found no evidence of collusive conduct or deceit by Mrs. Surowitz or her lawyer and ended their decision with a strong validation. The case was sent back to the district court for trial, and the accused directors and officers were ordered to either admit or deny the charges. This case champions the idea that justice should not be biased towards those well-versed in corporate finance. It sets a precedent that every shareholder, irrespective of their economic understanding, has the right to hold corporate executives accountable.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.